Hey you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I do appreciate it. I know you didn't have to. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit that bell, and I will support you back. Like always, this is not your first time with me, then hi, hello, how is everybody doing? So this is going to be Ipsy Plus for May of 2019. You're just gonna have to watch the video. I'm just saying, you should have to watch the video. I did do 3 add-ons, and yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy Plus, you know the drill. Keep on watching. I'll be right back. So I'm excited about this. I know what my add-ons are in here, and I pretty much know what's in this box because I have ants in my pants when it comes to Ipsy Plus, because this is my only subscription. Yes, it is. So if you don't know about Ipsy Plus is basically a really amazing subscription. It is the only one that I've kept. Like I said, it is $25 a month, and I have never had less than 160 or so worth in my box. It's usually more than that. I've gotten skincare that was worth $85. I've got skincare that was worth almost $200. Full size. They're all full size products. You do have the option to do add-ons, which sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. With my link down there, so you guys can use it if you want to. It's fine. I just get like points and stuff like BoxyCharm. So anyway, so this box looks like this when you open it. It says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." And it comes with a pamphlet. And this month, it is very cute. It says, "Your dreams are realities and waiting." And it's Ipsy Daydream. Ipsy Glam Plus. Now I will say, this is the first time I have gotten Ipsy Plus where I'm okay with it, but it's not my favorite Ipsy Plus. This is probably my least. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try the products and see. So first things first, we got this, or I got. It's called Illama Squaw. It's a lip coloring pencil duo, and there's 2 lip pencils in here, and they look like this. They are valued at $21 a piece, you guys. I'm not kidding. $21 a piece. $21 each. It has a tip. Before applying lipstick, line your lips with a pencil and fill them in to lock color into place. You can even overline for fuller looking lips. For an ombre effect, apply lip liner over a lipstick in a lighter shade. Just trace the outside of your lips and blend. There's your tip for the day. I've never heard of this brand. So let's look at the media or the Medaya, whichever one first. The packaging is actually very pretty. It's very sleek. Very pretty. And I can't believe these are $21 a piece. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Alright, so this is the color Media or Medaya. And this is what the pencil looks like. It's very pretty. We're going to swatch it. That is right up my alley right there. It's very pretty. I like it. And then the other color is called Lust. So here's our 2 colors. Actually, they're not that much different. They're actually very similar. So I could see where you could actually use both of these for like an ombre effect together. So yes, these are really pretty. But $21 a piece, girl, y'all. This is freaking $42 in lip pencils. Wow. Okay. Moving on. So the next thing. Okay, you guys know how much I love getting skincare. This is my favorite part about Ipsy Plus. Skincare. I love getting skincare in Ipsy Plus. Oh, it's my favorite thing. So I got this stuff. It's called Face Hero, and it's a powerful and protective face oil. Ooh, sorry. It's by the brand Go To, and it is valued at $34. And yeah, this is for all ages and all skin types, even sensitive and oily. It will deeply hydrate, revitalize, soothe, and tell dullness and uneven skin tone to buzz off. Yes, please do. It will not tell very good jokes at dinner parties. Laughing because I opened it and look what it says. You really love using me. That's cute. This packaging is very cute. Very, very cute. This is the packaging like 360 here. Packaging 360. Like, this is this beautiful peach color package. And yeah, so go to Face Hero, a powerful and protective face oil. It says pure potent super oil and antioxidants penetrate deeply to hydrate, revive, and ensure your lovely face against the appearance of of fine lines and dark spots. Face Hero is your all-in-one skin guardian and best friend. I believe it. Yes, I do. Ooh, it's very pretty. Oh, that actually smells really good. You know how some face oils, I'm going to do this on this hand actually. You know how some face oils are like really funny smelling, like Sunday Riley stuff? It's like really funny smelling. Okay, so it's kind of thick. It's definitely not a thin oil. It's something that that will probably last me forever in 100 million days and years. It smells super fresh, super clean. It doesn't have that really weird, like oily face, like skincare, strange, like high-end skincare, funny smell. No, but this is amazing. I love this. Love it. Love it. Love it. 5 drops onto clean skin after your daily serum and before moisturizer, or mix a few drops or a dollop into your favorite moisturizer and massage into your skin for all-day hydration. So like I said, I do like to add oils like that are a little bit thicker into, like, say, my Elemis cream or my Drunk Elephant, La La Retro, or even like my Confidence in a Cream. I will add it in there in anything that when I feel like my face is super dry, which it is right now. So this is another product that I'm super excited about because I have actually tried this before. This is the Yenza Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. It's got 8 super blacks essence. So it's got essence. And this retails for $35. And let me tell you something, this is a good primer. This is a really good primer. When I tried it, it was actually like a very small tube of it, and I used it within like 3-4 days. Like I used it every day for like 3-4 days, and I loved it. I loved every bit of it. It helps correct and blur and fine lines and pores and uneven skin texture while giving you a subtle highlight. The tip on this is smooth evenly over clean skin before makeup to increase the staying power of your favorite foundation, or skip makeup altogether and use the primer as the final step to your skincare routine. I will never use primer as the final step to my skincare routine. I'm sorry, I won't. I just can't. I just won't. The packaging is very pretty, and the inside of it has this very pretty ornate like detail on the inside. And it says on the inside right here, it says the meaning of yen. Chinese, color and face, English, deep desire and passion, Vietnamese, calm and peaceful, Japanese, currency. So that's very cool that it says that. Okay, this is what the actual product looks like. It's a very beautiful package. It's rose gold and just beautiful, beautiful package, full size. This is 30 mLs. And yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of this over the actual, the oil. Because I want to show you guys, it does have a tint to it, but it's almost like a pink, like a rosy tone to it. And see, but once you rub it into the skin, then it just disappears and it turns into this beautiful, soft, silky primer. I love it. The smell, I can't tell if that's the primer. I don't think this smells like anything. I don't think it's just a kind of clean smelling. It doesn't have like a super strong scent to it, so that's really good. I don't like super strong scented stuff unless it smells like vanilla and chocolate, and I won't eat it. The next thing is and I've never heard of this brand either. This is the Il Makiage. It's a very pretty package. Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. It is valued at $25. It just says that it plumps your natural lashes and minus the messy glue. It has a football shaped silicone brush. And yeah, You can apply as many coats as you want without fear of clumping. Plus it's lightweight, so it won't weigh your lashes down. So let's have a look at this wand and see. This is in the color black. This is what it looks like. It's very shiny, just beautiful silver color. Alright, I'm going to get all my fingerprints all over it. I hate that. That's cool. So this is what the football silicone applicator looks like. So yeah, we're going to use this in just a minute. So last but certainly not least, I'm excited about this. I am very excited about this. This is the Allure Beauty Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette, and this is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette, you guys. It is valued at $25, and it's a 6-pan palette, and yeah, it's beautiful. It's very, 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 very beautiful. So let me open it. The packaging, did I say how much I love Allure Beauty? And on the back, it just has the waves. Yeah, it's very, very summery, but you guys, look at that mirror. You see it says Allure Beauty on it. Has a mirror and a shield, and voila, here are our shades. Isn't that pretty? I love this. I love it. I absolutely love it. Anyways, I'm going to start down here with these colors across, and I'm going to swatch them all, and then I'll be right back and I will tell you which one is which. So I'll be right back. Okay, I cut my lights down so you guys can see how beautiful these colors are. Look at that seafoam green. Okay, I'm going to go over and tell you which is which. Okay, so the bottom one is the blue color. That's called Coastal. The second one up is the color called Seafoam. That's this one. So Coastal, Seafoam, and then the Sand Dollar one is right there. And that's a matte. And it's actually a super, super, super soft matte. I feel like it's going to be super easy to blend. And then up top here we have Golden Reef, which is right here. Look at my finger. It's like super pigmented. And then we have Sea Salt, which is like this kind of like a pinky shimmer. And then last but not least, the Champagne Harbor at the top. And it's just, look how beautiful that is. That is a gorgeous palette. I think I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to sweep this sand off. Because I want to see what this matte does, because I like the way it's swatched. So I'm just going to sweep this into my crease really quick. It's really pretty. Yes, this is a very good formula. Yes, oh my gosh. That lime crime formula, like this is kind of what those mattes feel like. Because when I swatched it, I was like, oh, it's like the lime crime matte. I don't know, it's really soft and it's super easy to blend, and it's the type of matte that I like to work with. And I'm going to run, let's use this pink color right here. Okay, so obviously this is a finger palette for me. Yes it is. It's super, super smooth and soft, and yeah. Let's go in with that seafoam green. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my. So I ran some of that blue on the lower lash line, and it just like made everything pop. Absolutely 100% living for this palette. I love it. It is beautiful. It is beautiful, and it is worth $25, and I think that it's worth that and more. It's got beautiful pigmentation, beautiful color. I love the matte. I love how the matte performed. That blue, oh my gosh, that took me by surprise. Like when I put that underneath my eye. I got 3 add-ons with my Ipsy Plus. Sorry, this video is so freaking long. I got a miniature of the Bad Gal Bang for $3. And I got a Pixie by Petra. This is the rose gold, I believe, endless silky eye pen. And this is a full size. But this was only $3. And this is in the color Rose Glow. So I'm gonna actually use this in my waterline. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I love it. I love that. And then the third thing that I got, which was an add-on, is the Preventative Measures After Hours Lip Balm, you guys. And this is hemp infused, and it is with moisture release technology. They're hemp infused, and it just intrigued me. And I was like, just get some of that. And I don't have just any plain lip balm, you know. This is what it looks like. This is the Preventative Measures. And this is also a full size, and this was only $3. Oh yeah, this is good. It's minty. That's amazing. And I am also going to put on the mascara because it says, now even though I did have mascara on already, I didn't have any other eye makeup on, but I did have mascara on. But this says that you can keep putting it on and keep putting it on and it doesn't clump up. Well, let's see about that. I'm happy with it. I had on a really thin layer of, I think, my Wonder Beauty mascara today. Because I didn't do a full face today. I'm liking that. Hey y'all. Hello. This is great. This is a great box, you guys. Ipsy Plus has not let me down. And I said at the beginning that this was not my favorite box, and I don't know if I'm still feeling that way. I mean, it's still not my 100% favorite box, but it's freaking amazing. Okay, so I did some Courtney math, and for the stuff that I got, not including the add-ons, because I don't ever include the add-ons, it's somewhere around like $165 to $167. So for $25 and these type of results, I'm sold. We're getting ready to try this $21 lip liner right here times 2. I'm not going to use the dark one, I'm just going to use the light one. And this is the, I think the media color or whatever. Yeah, so this is, I mean, an ombre lip, you know. I mean, y'all, this is a great box. It is a great box. I love it. $165 for 25 bucks. Ipsy Plus, you rock. You guys, what do you think about these products? Do you have any of these products? I have not watched any Ipsy Plus videos. I'm actually going to go watch some right now. I think my favorite thing in this box, it's really hard to choose, but I love the Face Hero oil. I love this palette so much, and I think I might have found possibly a new favorite mascara, but I don't know. But I love all of it. I love all of it. I love everything in here. There's nothing that I don't like. So yeah, way to go, Ipsy Plus. Once again, we don't disappoint. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Tell me what you think. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit the bell, and I will support you back. You know I will. Again, I am sorry this is so long, but I got a little carried away. I love you guys, but I want to argue with you. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.